Good morning everyone. My name is Y Gautami. Today we are going to discussing about the topic name is marketing environment and what are the factors are affecting the marketing environment. The first of all, what is the meaning of marketing environment? The marketing environment, the environment word is derived from the French word. It is derived from the French word. It means surrounding. It means surrounding or boundaries. Surrounding or boundaries. Okay? The marketing environment, the environment word is derived from the French word surrounding. The surrounding means what are the factors affecting to the marketing internally and externally. So whatever the business may be done, that may be affected some internal factors and external factors. So what are the factors are affecting marketing internally and externally? The marketing environment factors we can divide it into two categories. That one is internal marketing environment and external marketing environment. The marketing environment is divided into two types. So those are internal environment and external environment. Internal environment and external environment. These are the two types of marketing environment. The marketing environment, it is divided into two types, internal marketing environment and external marketing environment. The internal environment, it is also known like micro environment. Micro environment. The external environment, it is also known as macro environment. Macro environment. So what is the main difference between internal environment and external environment? The internal environment is totally within the organization. It is directly impacted to the organization growing levels. So that wise the internal environment is a micro environment. The micro sense is small. The entire limitation is only in the surrounding of company position and company producing the product position. For example, so what are the factors or comes under the internal environment? The first point is company policies. Company policies. Company policies, organizations and rules and regulations, it may be possible to changes within 2 or 3 days. Means the micro environment is changed within 2 or 3 days. And the second point is customers, competitors, suppliers, market intermediaries, and public. So these are the example points for the internally micro environment. So what are the factors comes under the micro environment? The micro environment comes under the points like company policies. So what is the meaning of company policies? The company policies are the company rules and regulations and discipline, how to maintain the organizations, how we are follow the daily activities, how much have we produce, so what is the production capacity and what is the marketing capacity, how much have we spent the research and development department, we comes under everything related to the manufacturing expenditures comes under company policies. In simple word, the company policies are discipline of rules and regulations to how to move in the organization. And the second point is customers. So how to affect the internally customers means, so when we want to produce the product, the internally we have the relationship between the customers. Because of the reason every producer produce the products for only customers. Without customer we don't produce any products. So that's why we can give more priority in marketing environment customers. Because of the reason customer taste and preferences are to decide at the marketing demand. And the third point is competitors. The competitors, who is called competitors? Who is produce the similar same pattern products, he is called the competitors. The competitors are also helpful for us because of the reason they motivate to them. Because of how to motivation like this, the competitors to create the products innovatively. We are also enthusiastic to create the product innovatively. And suppliers. The suppliers is the direct relations to the producer. He identifies the customer taste and preference and he only tells to the producer. And next, market intermediaries. The market intermediaries like the retail of chains. So what is the distribution of channels? The distribution channels like wholesalers, retailers, brokers, agents. So these are the example for market intermediaries. So who is called market intermediaries? Who are the distribution channels? So what we produce the product, they may be delivered to the customer hands. For the example like wholesalers, retailers, brokers and agents. And what is the meaning of public? So who are the working in the organization and who are the spend out the products, they all may be treated like a public. So when we attract to the public like company policies, philosophies, management philosophies, so those are helpful to the public attractiveness. So these are the factors of marketing internal environment. The internal environment, it is also known as micro environment. It is directly shows to the impact to the organization. So it is possible to change within 2 days or 3 days. It is totally within our boundaries. It is in total in boundary of the company policies. So that's why we can change very easily. And next we can discussing about the external environment. The external environment, it is also known as like macro environment. The macro mean large. So why we called large environment sense? The entire surrounding like outside of the company. So it is internal like inside of the company. The external is outside of the company. So how to use the outside of the company for marketing effect? So how to affect means we can identify the some of the factors to know the macro environment. The macro environment, we have one shortcut key, that is step-in factors. That is step-in factors. Here so S indicate social factors, T indicates technological factors, and E indicates economical factors. And P indicate political factors. And N indicates natural factors. And we also join the like demographical factors. So these points are example for macro environment. So the macro environment, it is the outside of the company. It is also indirectly impacted to the company growing position. So because of the reason, the external factors are also influenced to the marketing internally. So what is the meaning of social factors? The social factor sense the society is equal to people, the people is equal to customers. So what are the products we can produce that are for only public? So we can identify the social concept here. The social concept sense we can, here we give the importance for society welfare and we can take care about the society. And the second point is technological factor. The technology is the very most vital role play to the marketing environment. So because of the reason, every day becomes new technology like technology updation. So when it is come the technology updation, automatically the yesterday is a past technology. The past technology also indicates us to the, so we are in backward position. So that's why where we develop the technology, at the time only we move like innovatively. The customers also attracted our product when we have the technology like a updation process. And next point is P. And next one is economical factors. The economical factors sense the country position like GDP, GNP, national income, those factors are indication like economical factors. The economical factors only decided to the marketing positions. The marketing positions only identify the GDP values, GNP values and national income. The national income is the indication of country's developing position or underdeveloped position or developing position. So for example, in India is a developing position. How we can say that India is a developing position? Because of the reason our economical money is, we have the in medium stages. When we have the like your money currency value is high level, those countries are developed countries. The developed countries sense they have the more economical power and their country have the all much more facilities. And what is the developing countries? The developing countries, they maybe have the nominal economic power, so that's why they never meet all sufficient facilities, but they meet, so what is the necessary facilities. And what are the underdeveloped countries? The underdeveloped economy countries, like they don't have any sufficient income, like BPL, below poverty line. And the next point is P, political factors. So the political factors are easy to identify government formation. For example, when the government is indication of that maybe take 5 years of time, when the government arises newly, the government maybe raises new policies, new rules according to their government publicity. So when we want to change, for example, Shivaji movie, the Shivaji may be foundation for the all facilities give to the freely to the public. So when the arises new government, automatically the Shivaji foundation entirely collapsed. And then what is the next point is natural factors. The natural factors are like tsunami, floods. So these factors are we can't control. It may be in the hands of gods, but we can only prediction of ourselves, but we can't control it. And last one is demographical factors. The demographical factor, the name indicates demos. The demos means peoples. So here we can identify the people age, gender, income, marital status. So those factors are helpful to the marketing knowledge about the customer. So those customers only attracted to the factors affecting the marketing environment. Okay students. So can I again repeat once again. So internal environment and external environment. The entirely marketing environment is divided into two types. Internal marketing environment, external marketing environment. The internal marketing environment, it is also known as micro environment. The external environment is also known as macro environment. So what is the main key difference between internal environment and external environment? The internal environment means micro. Micro means small. The entire boundary is like within the organization. Means internal environment are entirely discussing about only internal organization. And what is the meaning of external organization? The external organization is the outside boundaries of the company. So it decided to the indirectly impact to the company policies. So internal environment shows direct impact and the external factor shows indirectly impact. But the both factors are very important to produce the product into the society. So because of the reason, when we want to produce a new product, at the time first of all we understand the outside factors like boundaries. So what are the surrounding position? So if you create demand or not, so which position in our market? If our country maybe have all facilities, at the time we can identify the customer taste and preference. So when we want to produce a new product, at the time we need to the customer income. Because of the reason customer income means customer purchasing power capacity. So if the consumers have the more purchasing power capacity, automatically marketing in the position of high level. So if the purchase income is low level, automatically the marketing position also very low level. Okay students, this is the topic. If you have any doubts, send me message or call me ma. Thank you.